Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Rockdale County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Oconee County in northeastern Georgia, Barrow County in north-central Georgia, eastern Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, Walton County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Jackson County in northeastern Georgia, central Newton County in north-central Georgia, until 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Rosebud to near Georgia International Horse Park to Rocky Plains, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lawrenceville, Conyers, Winder, Monroe, Jefferson, Snellville, Loganville,
know a guy who's in there.
Auburn,
In a Discord server.
Social Circle, Grayson, Statham, Oxford, Porterdale, Hodgson, Walnut Grove, Bethlehem, and between. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for north central and northeastern Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At noon in Atlanta,
Wow.
heavy rain and fog.
Let's see what else.
60 million degrees, dew point 66, relative humidity 90%. Wind south at 22 miles an hour, gusting to 32 miles an hour.
So that looks... Okay, a tornado is possible. We could probably get a tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree
Not calling it, but we could get a tornado warning. Anyways, see you guys sooner. If a tornado warning gets issued, I will record it. And, in fact, here's what's going on right now. So, I am, let's see, right in this area. And then you have this. Let me show you what's going on. This is that severe thunderstorm warning. This was not broadcasted to a television. Oh, here we go again.
Impact expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Here we go again, boys.
Locations impacted include Lawrenceville, Conyers,
It's for
Winder,
Bib.
Monroe, Covington, Jefferson, Snellville, Loganville, Brusselton, Auburn, Dacula, Social Circle, Grayson, Statham, Oxford, Porterdale, northeast at 30 Walnut Grove, Bethlehem in between. Hazard, 40 to 50 miles per hour wind until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for
Nah.
central and northeastern Georgia.
But, yeah. There was another issued, but no tornado. Wait, actually, yeah, tornado is possible with both of these. One has not been issued, though, yet. Anyways, I'll see you guys sooner. Goodbye. Sorry for making this a long video.